May we call on stage the Dean of ABE Caloocan, Dr. Melinda San Juan, for the distribution of diploma. Our graduates from ABE Caloocan: Ayo Andrea Isabel, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Kaganda Kenneth Alan Aquilar, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Camarillo Abigail Pelican, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Carolino Ryan Mangibir, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Pia Shansai Magad, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Dignos Janoy Paganda, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Fuertes Trisha Lorraine Galvez, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Gadjo Joanna Marie Tagatak, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Lubendino Marlet Norin Almendras, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Ludovico Cristina Margarita Sison, Bachelor of Science in Tourism. Maatas Wit Beverly Tadel, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Malakme Rico Angelo Magbanwa, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Meteliada Alexander, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Musico Maria Evan Puilope, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Navad Maika Surat, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Pepito Nelly Ampua, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Pineda John Paul Ramos, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Sandigan Servil John Lima, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Sinoy Marigold Kit de la Rosa, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. And Tan Vani Quinine Rabina, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. May we call on stage Dean Gabriel Sambahan of AMA Computer College Caloocan for the distribution of diploma. Our graduates from AMA Computer College Computer Caloocan: Alcuetas